Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make custom frames in Canva, a creative way to give your designs a personal touch. First, open Canva on your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, use the search bar or head over to the Frame Maker section if it's available in your account. This feature allows you to create completely custom frames from scratch, giving you full control over how your borders and shapes look. When you open the Frame Maker, you'll see a variety of design tools to work with. To start building your custom frame, drag the border tool onto your canvas. This acts as the base of your frame. From there, click and drag the edges to adjust the size and shape. You can make it a square, rectangle, circle, or even an abstract shape depending on your creative vision. Feel free to experiment. There's no strict rule here. Try reshaping, rotating, or layering borders until you achieve the look you want. If you make a mistake or change your mind, simply click the undo button to revert any step instantly. Once your frame looks just right, it's time to use it in your project. Click Add to Design in the top right corner, and Canva will automatically embed your custom frame into your selected design. From there, you can reposition it, add images inside the frame, or layer it with text and other visual elements to complete your layout. And just like that, you've created your very own custom frame in Canva. It's a fun and flexible way to make your projects stand out, whether you're designing social media posts, collages, or digital artwork. Remember, the best part of Canva is how easy it is to experiment, so keep playing around with frame shapes and styles until you find something uniquely yours. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Canva.